Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe right now. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start business online, how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps, make money online through PayPal, make money online through affiliate marketing and drop servicing, and make money online through email marketing. Now let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you three tips that I have used before to come from a failure or failing entrepreneur in a successful online businessman or entrepreneur. So in this video, I'm going to show you not really for some people really boring, not really important stuff, but for me, this is truly the most important part that I can give you because to know the tips and signs that you need to put together in your regular life, in the life of entrepreneurs, those are the signs that are making in a successful entrepreneur. Interpret, but it was enough talk and let's talk about your tips. So the first tip that I prepared for you is that when you are starting an online business,